is not just about distance, it's about direction. It shows that we are moving together as a community that is aware, united, and willing to stand for something that matters. The Police Regional Office in Europa remains firm in its commitment. We will continue to strengthen our operations, improve coordination with partner agencies, and deepen our engagement with communities. Because real security is not built by the police alone, but with the people. So as you run today, remember this. This is more than a simple activity. This is your way of saying, kasama ako sa pagprotekta ng ating karagatan. Kasama ako sa pagtanggol ng ating bayan. In line with our guiding principle, bagong PNP para sa bagong Pilipinas, serbisyong mabilis, tapat at nararamdaman.